Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save $1,000 in just 3 months. It's totally doable if you follow a simple step-by-step plan. Let's get started. Step 1. Set a specific goal. The first step is to set a specific goal. Write down exactly how much you want to save and by when. In our case, it's $1,000 in 3 months. Tip for beginners. It's important to be realistic. If the amount seems too big, break it down into smaller goals like $300 a month. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Step 2. Assess your current income and expenses. Now let's assess your income and expenses. Take a look at all your income sources and start analyzing where your money's going. Tip for beginners. Write down all your expenses, even small ones, so you can see where you can cut back. This will help you identify unnecessary spending. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now it's time to cut unnecessary expenses. This could be frequent trips to cafes, extra subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Tip for beginners. Try eliminating habits that don't add real value to your life. For example, cook at home instead of buying takeout every day, or cancel subscriptions you don't use. Step 4. Find additional income sources. If your current income isn't enough to meet your goal, find additional ways to make money. This could be freelance work, a part-time job, selling unused items, or even renting things you don't need. Tip for beginners. If you have spare time, consider taking up a side hustle that doesn't require significant investment, like food delivery, tutoring, or freelance gigs online. Step 5. Create a savings fund. Next, set up a savings fund. Open a separate account or use a banking app to track your savings. Set up automatic transfers of a fixed amount each month. Tip for beginners. If possible, set up an automatic transfer to your savings account right after you get paid so the money is saved before you can spend it. Step 6. Track your progress. It's important to regularly track your savings and expenses. This will help you understand where you are in reaching your goal and make adjustments if needed. Tip for beginners. Check your progress weekly to see how close you are to your goal and make adjustments if necessary. You may need to save even more or find additional income sources. That's it. If you follow this plan, you'll be able to save $1,000 in 3 months. The key is discipline and staying on track with your progress. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments how you save money. Good luck.